हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। अगर आपको भी इंग्लिश बोलना सीखना है तो हर सेंटेंस को मेरे साथ साथ रिपीट कीजिए और वीडियो को एंड तक ज़रूर देखिए। चलिए वीडियो को शुरू करते हैं। मैं इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ। आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश। आई एम लर्निंग इंग्लिश। मैं यहाँ कैसे रह सकता हूँ? हाउ कैन आई स्टे हियर? हाउ कैन आई स्टे हियर? मैं तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा था। I was standing behind you. I was standing behind you. मेरे साथ चलो। Come with me. Come with me. मैं उस समय उपलब्ध नहीं था। I was not available that time. I was not available that time. मैं तो कल्पना भी नहीं कर सकता। I can't even imagine. I can't even imagine. मैं तुम्हें सजा दूंगा। I will punish you. I will punish you. कुछ जरूरी काम आ गया था। Something important came up. Something important came up. जैसा मैं कहता हूँ करो। Do as I say. Do as I say. कहना क्या चाहते हो तुम? What do you want to say? What do you want to say? तुम पहले जैसे नहीं रहे। You are not the same as before. You are not the same as before. आज आप क्या खाना पसंद करेंगे? What will you like to eat today? What will you like to eat today? तुमने सब गड़बड़ कर दिया। You messed everything up. You messed everything up. क्या कारण है? What is the reason? What is the reason? ऐसा नहीं है। It's not like that. It's not like that. मुझे लगता है। It seems to me. It seems to me. बताओ तुम्हें क्या चाहिए? Tell me what you need. Tell me what you need. चाय पी लो, ठंडी हो रही है। Drink your tea, it's getting cold. Drink your tea, it's getting cold. मैं बस से आया। I came by bus. I came by bus. तुम्हारे पापा तुमसे मिलना चाहते हैं। Your father wants to meet you. Your father wants to meet you. तुम्हारी माँ खाना बना रहे हैं। Your mother is cooking food. Your mother is cooking food. पूछ कर बताओ। Ask and let me know. Ask and let me know. मैं उसे संभाल लूँगा। I will handle him. I will handle him. मजाक मत करो। Stop kidding. Stop kidding. कृपया शांत रहिए। Please keep quiet. Please keep quiet. आपसे मिलकर खुशी हुई। Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. यह मेरा सौभाग्य है। It's my pleasure. It's my pleasure. कोई बात नहीं। That's all right. That's all right. क्या चल रहा है? What is going on? What is going on? सब ठीक है? Everything is fine. Everything is fine. तुम्हारी हिम्मत कैसे हुई? How dare you? How dare you? मैं रास्ते में हूँ। I am on the way. I am on the way. कृपया क्या आप दोहरा सकते हैं? Could you please repeat that? Could you please repeat that? नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। No, not at all. No, not at all. यह बहुत ज़्यादा है। This is too much. This is too much. कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता। Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. अपने काम से काम रखें। Mind your own business. Mind your own business. बोलने से पहले सोचा करो। Think before you speak. Think before you speak. बहुत अच्छे, इसे जारी रखें। Well done. Keep it up. Well done. Keep it up. मेरे नज़रों से दूर हो जाओ। Get out of my sight. Get out of my sight. तुम्हारा मतलब क्या है? What do you mean? What do you mean? मैं समझा नहीं। I didn't understand. I didn't understand. तुम किस बारे में बात कर रहे हो? What are you talking about? What are you talking about? मेरे चीज़ों से दूर रहो। Stay away from my stuff. Stay away from my stuff. आपका इससे कोई मतलब नहीं है। It's none of your business. It's none of your business. क्या मैं आपसे कुछ पूछ सकता हूँ? Can I ask you something? Can I ask you something? आपकी पसंद और नापसंद क्या है? What are your likes and dislikes? What are your likes and dislikes? मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ? What can I do for you? What can I do for you? क्या तुम इसमें मेरी मदद कर सकते हो? Could you help me with this? Could you help me with this? क्या तुम्हें मेरी बात समझ आई? Did you get my points? Did you get my points? ये कोई मजाक नहीं है। This is not a joke. This is not a joke. मैं पूरी कोशिश करूँगा। I will try my best. I will try my best. क्या तुम साथ चल रहे हो? Are you coming along? Are you coming along? यह ठीक नहीं है। This is not fair. This is not fair. तुम आज क्या कर रहे हो? What are you doing today? What are you doing today? तुम क्या लेना पसंद करोगे? What would you like to have? What would you like to have? हमें आमंत्रित करने के लिए शुक्रिया। Thank you for inviting us. Thank you for inviting us. ये दिन आपकी ज़िंदगी में बार बार आए। Many happy returns of the day. Many happy returns of the day.